Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Febrith. I made an order from the Harry Potter shop in Orlando, Florida. Outrageous, I know, especially when I tell you about the import duties and the shipping cost. But this is a once in a lifetime thing. The chances of me getting to Orlando are pretty blinking small, what with air travel trepidation amongst other things. So I've been watching various other YouTubers that have been to these places, to these wonderful parks abroad in Tokyo, New York, and of course the Orlando one, which just looks amazing. And obviously seeing their hauls as well and what they've brought back. I have looked for these things. I've not been able to find them here in Britain. So I made this order. Okay, so let me show you the box. Okay, here it is. It's just arrived. So pray for me that everything is still in one piece. And let's have a look. Okay, that was quite a workout on my weak arms. So I watch a couple of YouTube channels that showcase the Orlando Park, Potter Collector and Witchy Angel Ambience. Angel is adorable. I'll leave you a link to her channel below. She goes there like weekly almost and checks out what's new in the merch and shows you the Christmas decorations and all sorts of things. And apart from that, she's an absolutely darling person, so adorable. And she has shown me loads of things that I have thought, oh, I wish I could buy that, and have been unable to here. So pretty much basically that's what we're doing. All right, then let's have a look at the first item. Okay, so the first item is this. This is a head wig that sits on your shoulder. Nuts, right? I will show you close-ups of everything at the end. But yeah, she sits on your shoulder and she's interactive. She swivels her head. She peeps and chirps and is just basically blinking adorable. This was $59. I'm not quite sure how much that equates to in English. Probably about 46, 47 quid, something like that. So a fairly pricey item, but a once in a lifetime opportunity. And I will need to name her. Okay. Okay, next thing out of the box is this pumpkin juice sipper. I don't really use these things, to be honest. For me, this is going to be more of a sitting on the shelf and looking lovely type of affair. But wow, I am really quite thrilled with the quality of this. It's good, thick quality plastic. And yeah, I think that'll last an absolute lifetime. Plus, how cute. I mean, I can imagine taking this in the car with me when I go on trips. Whoever designed this did a really nice job. I'm loving it. All right, then. Next, we got a Hogwarts photo frame. And I mean, as if I haven't got enough pictures and goodness knows what else in this room, but one more, it's not going to hurt, right? So let's have a look. This comes nicely packaged. Polystyrene. Can't bear the feel of it, but it certainly does keep things safe. Let me open this up. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? I love it. That was $26.95. And yeah, oh my god, I'm obsessed with Hogwarts. I think what it is for me really is the world that's been created, rather than the actual characters. It's the world, the Hogwarts, the Diagon Alley, and the Hogsmeade and so on. And the train, all those things I love so much. And you know if there was a fantasy world I could live in, it would be that one for sure. All right, then next I bought a couple of pins, as if I've got any room at all on the boards behind me. I don't know where I'm going to put these. I think it's going to be a case of one in, one out from now on. So we've got the Gringotts and we've got Professor McGonagall. McGonagall was really cheap. I think she was only about $4. She was in the sale. I think she started off at a lot more than that, so I guess I got lucky. And the Gringotts, oh my goodness, I did see somebody selling this on eBay here in the UK for more than the cost of this pin. This was $12, and I am so happy to have it. I absolutely love it. It is interactive, actually. The dial moves. So much fun. All right. Okay, next we've got this little trinket dish from Hogsmeade. This was $30. That's outrageous for a trinket dish. I actually wanted the mug as well, but they were out of stock online, so I had to make myself content with this. I absolutely love the pattern, the colours. They fit right in with my Christmas decorations, so that I'm super happy with, although not necessarily the price. Okay, next. I know this is a bit weird, but I don't care. One of the clothing items I purchased was this hat. It's Dumbledore's hat. And I just thought it was adorable. And will I wear it? Absolutely, I will. I'll wear this everywhere. Slightly large, it might come off in the wind. But you can buy hat bands, can't you, that you can put around the inside rim to make something a bit smaller. And I might just wear it around the house. I just love it. I'm going to wear it everywhere, every day. It's my new favourite item. Okay. All right. So sticking with the Hogsmeade theme, which I'm obsessed about Hogsmeade. I would love to live there in real life. I did buy the stationery set. Sorry about the glare. Look how nice is this? And I will use this for all my correspondence. Not that I do much. I only have literally one friend that I actually still write to, one pen pal. But I just love it. And I think that is super cute. Look at these washi tape and little seal type things. Cute as heck. And that was $45. Oh my God. I hope Paul doesn't ever see this video. You're going mental. Okay, I did buy some more clothing items, not just the hat. These you possibly can get here, but I've not seen them, so I made the decision to purchase them now. They're long sleeve shirts. I much prefer long to short sleeves. So we've got the Hogwarts Railway, 2 colours, very thin. You could shoot peas through this, honestly. It's very thin, but probably great for summer. And then in the next bag, we've got this little shirt, Always, and ooh, After All This Time on the back. The front, I love it. That is super nice. And again, long sleeves. This was $37. The Hogwarts Railway one was $40, crying out loud. And the last piece of clothing was a house shirt. So we've got Ravenclaw, and on the other side there, and the sleeves. This is really nice, actually. This is soft and it feels a bit thicker, so much more appropriate for this time of year in England, where it is currently 5 degrees and freezing. Okay, 2 more items to go, and one of them is a Christmas ornament. It is heavy as hell. I can't honestly see my Christmas tree coping with the weight of this thing. I think it's so beautiful. I'm going to just have it up all year round in this room rather than on my tree. I was obsessed with this when I saw it, and I love it to bits. It's a beautiful tableau in there. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Even with a moon. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's amazing. That's even more beautiful in real life than I thought it was going to be. All right then, last but definitely not least, $39 will buy you this beautiful Hogwarts sculpture. It's not the most detailed thing I've ever seen. Is it focusing? I can't tell. I will show you close-ups in a second anyway. But it is beautiful, and I am really happy with that. I think it's a lovely little thing. It's going to be a nightmare to dust. But yeah, how cute. So that is my haul. I'll just give you close-ups of these things while I talk to you about the shipping and the import duties. Okay, so a bit closer up, here's the sipper. Isn't this lovely? A sipper. Honestly, it sounds like a child's thing, doesn't it? But I've never heard that expression before. Anyway, there we are. That's what it is. Here's your drinking cup. And the lovely head wig. So blinking cute. I need to work out where you put the batteries in, and here's the little pad that sits on the shoulder. So that's cool. It's already covered in cat hair. The hat, yeah, the detail on this hat is really lovely. It's a shame it's just slightly too large for me, but again, I can sort that out. A headband. I used to have a riding hat that was just too big for me, and I remember buying some stuff off of Amazon, and it worked perfectly. So yeah, this is actually, is it my favorite item? Might be. Very close anyway. I love this statue. I think it's gorgeous. Again, I'll find a home for that. The pins, the beautiful dish, the absolutely wonderful ornament. I mean, just look at that. Oh my God. I love it. I can't stop looking at it. The weight of this frame, by the way, it's super heavy and really good quality. I like it very much. And you know, when it comes to the actual cost of getting these items here, it was the whole order together, all of these items together cost £294.12p, which amounts to $370.26. The shipping was £63.52. Holy moly, which is 80 quid. Sorry, $80 shipping. And the cost of the duties that I had to pay when it got here, £76, which is $95.68. So just in the shipping, that was 175 bucks, you know, just to get these items to me. Holy God, that's so bad. But hey, I am thrilled with them all. I absolutely love them. This set, very happy with. All of the things in here, beautiful. I will open it all up properly later. And of course, the clothing items and whatnot. All right, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Do let me know, have you had to resort to paying these outrageous fees as well to get what you really, really, really want, which you can't seem to find anywhere else? It's not something I would do every day, but when you consider, you know, the cost of tickets to get to Orlando to buy these things in person, then, you know, maybe it's not so bad, eh? All right, then, take care. Stay safe, everybody.